How to set delivery instructions on DoorDash. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to set delivery instructions on DoorDash. For this, all you need is open the DoorDash app, log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you then need to select your address at the top of the screen, and there you could find this pencil shape icon. Press open that up. After which, you just want to make sure to go ahead and allocate the drop-off instructions or apt suit field, and type your specific details here, such as gate code, building number, or specific spot to leave the food. And if the GPS map doesn't accurately show your front door, you can often drag the pin to its exact location on the map to help the driver, and press on the save button, and that's how you're going to instruct on DoorDash. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.